Hello and welcome to OFC 2018 in San Diego, California. I'm here with Dr. Chengliang Zhang, Vice President of China Telecom, Beijing Research Institute. Dr. Zhang, please tell me about your presentation today.
In my presentation this morning, I introduced the future optical network of 5G and the cloud era. I'm at a residential user, but for China Telecom, enterprise user are equally important, ranked number one in China's leased line service market. In my opinion, FTTH, wireless, spectral, and enterprise leased line are the three major driving forces of the optical network. Other than the huge bandwidth of optical network, I like to talk about the new architecture and technologies. As part of China Telecom CityNet 2025 network re-architecture plan, we focus on the simplification of the optical network to lower the CapEx and OpEx. We have seen many emerging technologies in recent years: silicon, photonics, or hybrid photonic integration, intelligent control plane, SON, and SDN. I believe this technology will help to build a much more cost-effective and simplified optical network to meet the requirement of future service.
Dr. Zhang, tell me what your future infrastructure needs may be.
In my opinion, there will be three key factors that can change the future network. The first one is fixed and mobile will be carried within one network. We call the FMC, which requires the network to be able to carry multi-service and meet diverse performance requirements. The second is 5G. The 5G core network gets cloudified, and MEC move down to the metro edge, which requires a huge bandwidth and more mesh and flexible connection. So we need to push WDM-OTN to the edge of the network and introduce some layer 3 function into OTN. That's the basic background of our new MQ2C OTN concept. The third one is the DC-centric network architecture. Internet and the cloud are reforming the legacy PSTN-centric network into a new data center-centric network. As I mentioned this morning, ROADM-based LAN 2.0 plan is our strategy to deal with this change.
Attendees here at OFC play in every layer of the network. Tell me a bit about that future.
Sure, each layer plays unique network rule and is not irreplaceable, but undoubtedly, the importance of optical network is gradually increasing among all layers. In the coming 5G and cloud era, optical network need to further evolve and become even more important, connecting not only everyone, but also everything. China Telecom focus on every aspect of optical network technologies. For access network, they have already completed the LAN 1.0 project. FTTH covers 90% of the household, and the family can enjoy the internet speed up to 100 megabit. The new LAN 1.0 Plus will speed up to 1 gigabit access in entire network. For the backbone network, we are working on the LAN 2.0 project, including 400 gig, 1 tera WDM transmission, ROADM, and high switch matrix OTN. Recently, we have just built the first backbone ROADM network in China, and the scale of the network is impressive. And we plan to establish more ROADM network in other regions.
Thank you so much for your time today, Dr. Zhang. Signing off from OFC 2018 in San Diego.